Welcome. In this video, we'll look at how the intrusion detection and prevention feature works within the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Network Firewall. This is a built-in capability that helps you secure your VCN traffic with advanced real-time threat protection. Intrusion detection and prevention are two crucial security features in the OCI network firewall that help protect networks from malicious activities. OCI network firewall includes industry-leading threat detection from Palo Alto. It doesn't just monitor traffic, it actively protects it even if it is encrypted. And because it is native to OCI, setup is simple using security rules and policies. Threat detection is signature based. These signatures help identify malware, spyware, and exploitation of known vulnerabilities. This is the same intelligence used in enterprise grade firewalls, now directly available in OCI. The threat signatures are classified into the following categories: antivirus, anti-spyware, vulnerability. Antivirus identifies different forms of malware and viruses such as worms, trojans, and spyware downloads. Anti-spyware monitors compromised hosts for C2 spyware attempting to connect or beacon to an external C2 server. Vulnerability is designed to detect and exploit system vulnerabilities. The OCI network firewall service receives signature updates in the form of two update packages: the antivirus content and application threats content updates. The packages are automatically updated as part of the service. The antivirus content updates include antivirus signatures and DNS signatures used by antivirus and anti-spyware security profiles. The application threat content updates include vulnerability and anti-spyware signatures used by the vulnerability and anti-spyware security profiles. Palo Alto provides a table of all possible signature categories by type: antivirus, spyware, and vulnerability. With the free Palo Alto Live community account, you have access to Palo Alto's threat vault. Each threat vault signature has an internal severity level and default action as defined in Palo Alto's threat vault. Every OCI network firewall includes predefined security profiles for protection, which are attached to either intrusion detection or prevention security policy rule actions. IDS monitors network traffic and analyzes it for suspicious patterns or known threats, generating alerts when potential intrusions are detected. However, it does not take action to stop the threat. An IPS system not only detects suspicious activity but also actively blocks or mitigates threat in real time, preventing them from causing harm to the network. While IDS focuses on visibility and alerting, IPS emphasizes proactive defense and automated response. Together, they enhance the firewall's ability to safeguard the network. When using IDS, the action is to only send alerts to the OCI network firewall threat logs. When using IPS, the action is to block threats of severity level critical, medium, or high. To enable logging for your OCI network firewall, go to the navigation menu and select Identity and Security. Then choose Network Firewalls. Find your firewall in the list, click the Actions menu and select View Details. Under the Resources tab, choose Logs and enable them. OCI offers three types of logs: threat, traffic, and tunnel inspection, each providing visibility into different aspects of firewall activity. In OCI Network Firewall, security rules define how each network packet is evaluated and what action should be taken. Depending on your needs, you can choose the rule action as intrusion detection or intrusion prevention, enabling the IDS or IPS functionality accordingly. OCI Network Firewall contains threat logs for viewing both blocked and detected threats. Based on the Palo Alto signature detection mechanism, if the firewall matches the threat signature, it will allow the traffic to pass but send an alert to the threat log. Based on the Palo Alto signature prevention mechanism, if the firewall matches the threat signature, it will reset the connection and send an alert to the threat log.